Hello, my little ones of International School. I'm back with a new video and a new story for all of you. And in this story, I'm going to introduce with a new letter to all of you. Are you all ready? So come on, let's hear the story. There was a big green forest. There lived Ella, the baby elephant. Ella had got big ears and big eyes. She had a friend, Emma the emu. Both of them enjoyed and played in the forest. While they were playing in the forest, they saw some eggs in the nest, and when they saw up, they saw a big eagle also coming up, and they got scared of the eagle and they started running. When they were running, the eagle came to them and said, "Don't be scared, we are going to be friends." So they all became friends and had a good time and enjoying time. Now children, did you notice one thing? That there was a sound of a coming. What was that sound of? Yes, it was the sound of our new letter, E. Yes, the new letter which we are going to learn is letter E. This is capital E, this is small e, and the phonic sound for letter E is A. E says A. E for elephant, E for egg, E for earthworm, E for earth, E for eye, E for engine, E for eagle, E for envelope, E for elephant again. Now children, we are going to learn some more letters and words from our Tinker book, book number 2. Children, letter E is given to us on page number 28. Okay, come on, let's revise some more words. E for engine, E for envelope, E for entrance, E for elk, E for empty, E for elbow, E for egg. Children, we are going to learn all these words that start with letter E. Now we are going to learn how to write letter E. First we are going to start with capital E. It is given to us on page number 33. See children, capital E, how we are going to write? These are the 4 lines, 2 pink lines and 2 blue lines. Starting from the pink line, we have to make a standing line till the blue line. Then we have to make a sleeping line touching the pink line. Then one more sleeping line touching the blue line, and one more sleeping line touching the blue line which is given to at the bottom. This is capital E. Once again, see children, we are going to make a standing line from the pink line till the blue line, then one sleeping line touching the pink line, one more sleeping line touching the blue line, and one more sleeping line touching the blue line. Okay, This is capital E. Now we are going to draw a picture whose name starts with the sound of letter E. E for egg. We are going to draw the picture of an egg. See, we are going to start from here. We are going to take a little curve, come down, take a big curve, go up and go and touch where from you had started. E for egg. Okay, children? Now we are going to learn how to write small e. These are again the 4 lines and we are going to write small e between these 2 blue lines. Okay. From these 2 blue lines, from the middle, we are going to make a sleeping line. And then you are going to take a curve. You are going to go up, touch the blue line. Take a curve, touch the blue line again and go little up. Okay, children? See, you are going to make a sleeping line, and after making the sleeping line, you have to go towards your right hand side, your left hand side, and you have to come up again towards the right side. Okay, so you are going to make a right open curve. Again, these are the 2 blue lines, a line in between, a sleeping line, go up, take a curve, right open curve, and going towards the left hand side, coming back towards the right side, and a curve and leave it. This is small e. Now children, we have to write letter E whose name starts with the sound of letter E. E for empty, B for bat. You are going to write letter E under which? E for empty. You are going to write capital E, standing line, 1 sleeping line, 1 more sleeping line, and 1 more sleeping line, and small e between these 2 blue lines, a sleeping line, take a curve, go towards your left hand side, come back towards your right hand side, and go up little, touching the blue line. This is small e. Yes, children, the homework for you all is given on page number 35. This is your homework. You have to write capital E below the elephant. See, this is the picture of elephant. You have to write capital E below it. And you have to write small e below the elk. 2 blue lines, a sleeping line in between, go up, turn towards your left side, come back towards your right side, and a curve. This is E for elk. Okay, children? So you are going to complete page number 33, 34 and 35. 33, 34 and 35 of your Tinker book. One more activity is given to you on page number 32. You have to circle the missing things and say the first letter of their names. Okay, children? In the meantime, bye-bye.